This is a 2020 Gravity large. It might even be extra large. 21-inch frame. Came with the SR Suntour XCT 29er fork. 100 millimeters of travel. I've put on the Satori 420 millimeter gravel bars with the micro new 2x9 shifters. Those are brake shifters. I've got 1x9 snafu chainring 32 tooth and 11x42 in the back. Generic 29 long cage derailleur. Got some nice brakes here. These are the Zoom brakes. They're mechanical, but the calipers are hydraulic. That's a Cloud 9 seat. 400 millimeter seat post. This bicycle is meant for somebody between, I'll say, 6 foot and possibly 6'4". Probably 6'2" to 6'3" is perfect. Maybe somebody with really long legs at 6'1" or 6 foot. It's called a gravelanch bike. I've got some WTB wheels with Continental Race King. I call them kind of gravel knobbies. They're smooth enough on the road, but really meant for gravel and dirt roads and light trail, packed hard trail. That's also a Wild Man toolkit in the water bottle cage. Oh no, not a bad deal. It'll fit 2.5-inch tires in the back, just for somebody who's interested in maybe putting some 750Bs. You might be able to get some, maybe a 2.6, but 29ers I've had 2.5 in there. The Maxxis hookworms fit in there really nice, make this a really nice little street bike. But with the Race Kings, this 1x9 really rocks. It's styled. Just needs a home. Hit me up if you're interested. And E-Bike Mike, take care. Happy New Year.